big part of cozy are lights, so like twinkle lights, or I really like tapered candles. I really like how it looks at night, like from the outside of your house, but it also just adds some extra like ambiance of the flickering candle without it being a fire hazard. Don't mess with Christmas, keep it to your red and green and burgundy and gold. This year we moved into our 100-year-old home, and I felt like it really deserved that like classic 90s Christmas. It's just that vibe that makes people feel cozy because it brings back childhood memories and nostalgia for them. Like adding in knits and velvet and metal and making sure you're mixing those textures to create like a cozy vibe, especially knits and velvet. Like wreaths on my cabinet doors, and I just used little command hooks to stick them to the cabinet doors and then add some velvet. People just add them everywhere, and honestly, I am people. I also add them everywhere. It really adds so much of a punch. And I also like to add faux garlands over my windows, like on the curtain rod. I just drape it on the curtain rod. You don't even need anything else. Use a tension shower curtain rod and put it through like a doorway, so you don't have to use any kind of hook or like damage your wall. And then you can drape garlands and decor twisted around it, and it just makes the doorway look really pretty and cozy. Which I feel like are really nostalgic. It's just you cut strips of paper and you make like a paper chain. I have it behind me right now. And that's like, it's so easy, and I think it's relaxing because it's just like tedious and you're just doing the same thing over and over. So I feel like it's also like a little bit of therapy. You can never have enough ornaments, but I really like to mix in different colors and different textures. Like I have some paper ornaments, I have velvet, and then metal, and then I have some little glass ornaments. I really love the vintage glass ornaments. They're like a Santa or like a hot dog or something. Those are really cute too. People are always like, how do I get to this amount of decor, or how do I do this on a budget? And I feel like it's not something most people are doing in a year. Just take your time with it and go to thrift stores, or at the end of the season, buy what you think you're gonna want next year when it's on sale, and just start accumulating it over the years and you'll get there. I've always loved Christmas. I always wanted to put up my Christmas tree. I would have a little Christmas tree in my room, or I would beg my mom to let us put up our Christmas decorations early, and she was always the wait until after Thanksgiving person. So I feel like now that I am an adult and I can do whatever I want, November 1st is right when I go crazy for Christmas, and I feel like a lot of people have too, just because they need something in this world to, bring that extra bit of happy, and that's all we want, and that makes them happy, and it makes me happy.